Greetings, AcePreps here, and today I'm going to show you how to break out of handcuffs with just a paperclip. So, do not use this to break out from the police. I'm not responsible for anything stupid you do. Just use it if you're illegally restrained, or maybe if you for some reason locked yourself in the handcuffs and lost the key or something. So what you want to do is take your paperclip, you want to bend out this part, then you want to bend the end here totally back on itself, and then bend this part again. So now you have something which looks a bit like the key. So then what you want to do is let's see if we can get it to focus. Go in there and just push down, and you're out. And then do it on the other hand. So take the paperclip, go in there and push down. And that's basically it. And paperclips are so small you can always carry a few of them in your pockets or wherever to break out. And what I sometimes do is I even pre-make them, so I twist this back like this, so it looks like this, and then I just have to bend it out and I could break out of any handcuffs basically. So thank you guys again for watching. If you want to see more videos, check out my my channel, subscribe, like, favorite, and I'll see you next time. Bye.